baba na, landing na. Yes. Arrive safely.
International Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bin, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Emil Manangkaya, First Officer Paulo, and First Officer Alvin, and together with my team, welcome aboard Cebu. Thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa seatbelt sign bago kayo tumayo upang kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin po namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to inform you that due to operational requirements, this flight will need to park.
For guests needing special assistance such as wheelchair, you are advised to display flags for proper ground endorsement. Bago po kayo tumayo upang kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Maraming salamat po.
Kaya yan taas.
Yours. Ay, die. Ako ka yours.
officer. Okay. Exit.
Pero nag-recurrence ka na, hindi ba?
So, yan. Dito na ako, guys.